Next Health Review 2025. Is it the right patient engagement platform for you? Most people get patient engagement platforms wrong by focusing only on reminders. Next Health in 2025 is more comprehensive, combining scheduling, communication, payments, and feedback in one platform. Next Health allows patients to book appointments online, complete forms digitally, and receive automated reminders. You won't believe what happens next. It also integrates with their systems to update patient records in real time, reducing administrative work. The surprising truth is that Next Health also supports two-way messaging, enabling secure communication between patients and providers. This boosts engagement, decreases no-shows, and improves overall patient satisfaction. Additionally, Next Health offers analytics and reporting dashboards. Clinics can track appointment trends, patient feedback, and payment collections efficiently. Pricing is tiered based on features and patient volume, but even small practices benefit from the streamlined workflow. In conclusion, Next Health in 2025 is ideal for clinics and healthcare providers that want to enhance patient communication, automate scheduling, and improve administrative efficiency. Its combination of digital forms, reminders, messaging, and analytics makes it a strong choice for modern healthcare practices.